Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new display shelves. Okay, obviously you can use this for your liquor, supermarket, any business that you have, simply to place your product right here for display for the customers to grab and go. Okay, so before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the measurements for this display shelving unit. I'm also going to measure the shelves because there's different sizing for all these shelves. So let's go ahead and start up with the length here. For the length, you're going to be looking at a total of about 40 inches. Okay, so 40 inches of the length from front to back. You're looking at a total of 16 inches, 16. And the overall height for this shelving unit, you're looking at a total of 51 inches high. Okay, now, as I mentioned, there is going to be different types of shelves here. For these three, this is different sizing. So we have a total of 9 shelves for this display unit, starting with this size right here. We're going to go ahead and give you the measurements. Front to back, 7 inches. Okay, so obviously it's going to be 7 inches for these three. For the next one here, front to back, you're looking at 9.5 inches. Okay, so there's going to be 3 for this shelving right here, and then we got the next size, which is going to be 2 of these. Then the next size right here down, front to back, you're looking at 11 inches. And lastly, the bottom 2 shelves are going to be the biggest shelves that it has. Obviously, you're going to be able to store more space on the bottom shelves. And for those shelves, you're looking at a measurement of about 13 inches. Okay, so as I mentioned, there is a total of 9 shelves for this unit. We can use this for any product, simply for customers to grab and go. If you're interested in one of these units, please go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact display shelving unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.